Hi guys, welcome back to the Nash TV.
Hi.
It is a Friday and we're on the go again. There's Raquel, there's Asha,
Hello.
there's Uncle Jerry, there's my sister in the front. You can't see her properly.
Face reveal.
And face reveal, that's me. We're going to London.
Auntie Dina doesn't like cameras. She's very camera shy.
Apparently Auntie Dina doesn't like cameras, so we'll try not to show the camera into her too much.
But there's a thumbnail literally of her.
A thumbnail?
When they went to London.
Raquel,
Oh,
if I took a
really?
photo of all of my introverted friends, I'd have like 3 photos, which is quite surprising. I should have more introverted friends.
So we're just driving to Bedford to catch the train at Bedford because the train in Milton Keynes is broken down or overheated.
Yeah, the rail's overheated.
The rail is overheated because it's been too hot today.
Meaning they've expanded.
Yeah.
Meaning
So the trains have been cancelled. So yeah.
We're going to London.
Going to London. Is it your first time to get to London, right?
Yeah.
I think you've been to London by a different side. It'll be your first time to go on the train, isn't it? If we ever make it to the train. Anyway, come with us, guys.
Not to
train leave.
So we've arrived at our Bedford train station. There it is. Bedford train station. Let's get our luggage. Getting our luggage. Traveler, is that all you got?
Are they coming out?
You guys, we are here. You still want to sit in the car?
Asha?
So it appears I've again carried the whole house as usual.
Whose water is that, Raquel?
Ours.
She's lifting.
Have you got everything? Right.
So you're going to. Did you bring your charger, Mum?
Yeah.
Mommy, why are you coming out?
Jerry, you're not waiting for us? Mr. Green?
There's nowhere to park.
Oh, okay. All right then.
You should be okay.
Don't go too far in case we need to take us back. You what?
Uncle Jerry's going to be drinking beer.
And celebrating the weekend on his own. Celebrating to be in the house on his own.
You don't know what the guys want by themselves.
It's like, welcome to Bedford Station. This is what it looks like. It looks nice and quiet than Milton Keynes.
Doesn't feel like a Home Alone scene yet.
Huh? I don't know. Or maybe. Why is it closed? Huh? Where do we buy the ticket from? Somebody's there? Oh, sorry. But why is it saying Bletchley? Huh? Why is it saying Bletchley? Huh? see, yep, let's see.
Yep, Home Alone.
Well, this course might suit. Sure. Yeah.
So
Isn't it not beautiful?
our train has arrived. We're waiting for people to come out and then we go in. You have to wait, Asha, for people to come out and then we go in, yeah?
I'm gonna be in a car crash on a train.
Jakubera. Raquel, there's no seatbelt on the train.
No.
Are you surprised?
Sit.
Huh?
Are you gonna sit on?
In a minute, yeah.
For like 5.
Don't worry, it is not gonna take off yet. We can cope.
Isn't it the train might depart to like 8:04?
I like this train from Bedford. It's so not busy like the one from Milton Keynes.
Remember the train's house?
So guys, we're on the train. There's so much space.
Yeah.
Look at the back. Say hello to my viewers, sis.
Hello viewers.
Tell them to subscribe.
Please subscribe to my sister's channel.
Thank
San
you,
Ash.
sis. Thank you, sis. They heard you. Mwah. They will subscribe. So we are on an adventure. First time to use this train from Bedford.
But so far so good.
So far so good. Yes, 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 yes. Was. Oh, there's a camera there. Was. So guys, are you excited
Yeah.
to get to Croydon for the first time?
Yeah.
This train is so peaceful. Oh my goodness. How come it's too quiet?
That's because we were the first people to get off the train.
Do you think they're gonna tell us, guys? I think if this was in Uganda, they'll be like, you're a few people. We can't leave like this. We'll take you off. We won't go. And then they ship you to another train.
This one guy all the way
they'll
down the
be
hall.
like, we can't drive an empty
All you
train.
can see is his legs.
see how long it is.
You can just see one guy's leg.
One long haul.
I'm
Raquel,
just-
do you want to come and look? Yeah, it's good. Walk there.
Right,
Oh no.
Raquel, walk there, honestly.
gonna
It's
walk down the
fun.
train.
Not too far though.
Don't worry. It's so.
You can tour the train. Don't be scared. Oh, it's her first time on the train. She's excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Everyone down here seems to be very friendly and ready to help. Even the cleaner said, "Oh, don't worry. Carry on to the train.
Very
Enjoy."
nice.
Yeah. You see, Raquel? You see, people are very nice. I told you.
Yep.
So
There's
yeah.
almost no one. There's like 4 people.
So let's get to London. And by the way, we don't have to stop and change, which I love, because I hate changing. Oh my gosh. Last time we had to change, we missed our stop and then got lost. You remember, sis?
Yeah.
When we missed our stop, ended up somewhere else.
I was having a nice relaxing sleep while you two were stressing out for your lives.
And it was like midnight.
And you could have been stuck there for goodness knows how long.
Yeah. So I love
was having
it.
a lovely nap.
Raquel?
There aren't many people
what does
on
it
the train.
Raquel, what does it feel like to move on the train for the first time?
Nice.
Oh, wow. You excited?
I kind of want to moonwalk in the opposite direction of the train is going.
We're going that way.
We will be calling at Flitwick, Harlington, Leagrave, Luton, Luton Airport Parkway, Harpenden, St Albans City, London St Pancras International, Farringdon, City Thameslink, London Blackfriars, London Bridge, Norwood Junction, East Croydon,
Yes,
Hurley,
there we are.
Red Hill,
It's Croydon.
Salford.
Yakutana yoda jetulaga. Eh?
Safety information is provided on posters in every carriage.
I don't see why it'd be any different this time. I reckon it won't happen.
Oh, we passed a nice river. Is that River Ouse?
Like, that's
What's
the,
that
stage
river?
Where you've just got to know, you're like, shit, I'm still in a relationship, I'm so lucky. Like now I need to be special behaviour.
Asha is a train pro. He's been on the train for so many times.
Yep, I've been on the train at least 3 times.
Pro, yeah. Saying that some
Train pro, Raquel.
and you only been on 3 times.
That's the scary thing.
Okay, should we get there now?
Yep, we'll just teleport.
So what's the time now? Let's see how long it takes to get there.
4 past.
It's 4 past what?
8.
Past 8.
Yes.
Asha, so Raquel, you're supposed to be in bed.
Yeah, go home and go to bed. I don't care that we're on a moving train. That sounds like an excuse.
4 minutes past 8. Yeah?
Sleep, child.
What time do you think we'll get
You
there?
know Raquel sleeps with her eyes open? Yeah, she sleeps with her eyes slightly open.
Do you think we'll get there at 4 past 9?
Maybe, yeah, that is quite...
34 past 9.
Really? 1 hour and a half?
At the earliest.
1 hour and a half?
Somewhere between 9:30 and 10:30.
Auntie Adina, what time do you think we'll get there?
I think 10 something. Sorry, 9 something.
I'm thinking, yeah. So it's 5 minutes past 8, according to that. And the next stop is Flitwick. Okay, let's see how long it takes to get there. Enjoy the ride, guys. Enjoy the ride. I love that view.
I'd love to go swimming.
It's so big.
What river is that? Reservoir.
Reservoir. Say rural. Oh no, I dare
To be honest, I like this route. It's more, you know, more tidy. I like the view. I don't think we get that in Milton Keynes when we're going to Houston. I think Malachi would love the train. I actually don't mind going with him to East Croydon on this train because it goes direct. I wouldn't mind at all. So next time I'll take him. Yeah, definitely next time. No, he'll have his iPad. Just sit there and watch his stuff. Yeah, so you get to like darker areas and then you get to we're back to Nama. I like the evening train. It's more peaceful.
Simanyi wenyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gwenze wankole chintu akaseko kumatama kalagala is true eddoboozi lyonkuwulira mbeera nkufiiringa. When I told you that I love you baby that was true. Tubeerenga babiri baby me and you kutwala mu bwakabaka toli muddu and no love chiri mutu chimanyibwa nyini kyo baby wantegeera onumya n'omutima wotobeera ndi muntu wantondo n'obujja gusaba togezanga nojjawa njagalanga wendi nsonga za mutima simanyi wenyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gweze wakola ekintu akaseko kumatama kalagala is true ddoboozi lyo ndiwulira mbeera nkufiiringa nsonga za mutima simanyi wenyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gweze wakola ekintu akaseko kumatama kalagala is true eddoboozi lyo nkuwulira mbeera nkufiiringa.
Imagine sleeping in that one there.
We're 3 stops away.
Wow.
About 10 minutes away.
There's so many people at London Bridge. Like,
Why are you so excited to get off? This was an experience. You may not get to do this again for years.
So enjoy it while it lasts,
because I
Raquel.
want to get
The last time I got to go on a train was in 2019.
No, it wasn't. 2020.
No?
Where I got next stop is Croydon. If you got Morgana Chula, but anyway, but you want to say.
Oh, finally, and
We are about to arrive East Croydon.
it's been so, you know, it's been a lot of time because it's been like all of that on the camera.
It's been what?
It's been a 12-second one time.
Was it 1 hour, Raquel?
It feels like 70 hours.
Is it? Are
Yeah.
you tired?
No.
Has the excitement gone now?
No.
No? You still excited? Are
Yeah.
you tired, Dasha?
Not really.
I'm not. I've enjoyed the journey. I love it. Where one?
I don't know who you made. I got to next stop.
I got my next stop. How about stop at Daku? Seno.
Someone took a national
Do you know where she lives, Mommy?
No, I don't. Asha, okirabye ekigambo?
They're going to pull out all the stops.
Could you hold my hand?
Ate ate handbag. Tugenda.
Also, for some reason, I've just been here on 5. It's 24
We've arrived East Croydon and now we are on our way to come out. Very exciting. Yes, thank you for traveling with us, guys.
Yeah, flatter. No. When I told you that I love you, baby, that was true. Tubeerenga babiri, baby, me and you. Kutwala mu bwakabaka toli muddu and no love. Chiri mutu chimanyibwa nyini kyo baby wantegeera. Onumya n'omutima wotobeera ndi muntu wantondo n'obujja gusaba togezanga nojjawa njagalanga wendi nsonga za mutima simanyi wenyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gweze wakola ekintu akaseko ku matama kalagala is true ddoboozi lyo ndiwulira mbeera nkufiiringa nsonga za mutima simanyi wenyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gwenze wakola ekintu akaseko ku matama kalagala love is true. Eddoboozi ly'onkuwulira mbeera nkufiiringa. Nze nakwagalanga buli tompa bingi nga bwe siri malayika sijajinge. Omwoyo n'omutima mbikuwadde mulisiza katala kangenze nve maggwa. Kati mukwano gonze gwe nnina nkukwata ntya era manyi okisensinga. Oli waddala ntunuulira omanye ekyo kye nnaalya oba ekyo kye nnoonya. Nkwatako owulire bye nkusuubiza nange birungi wano ku nsi ne mu ggulu. Oli mulungi nsonga za mutima simanyi bwe nnyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gwenze wakola ekintu akaseko ku matama kalaga ddoboozi lyo ndiwulira mbeera nkufiiringa. Nsonga za mutima simanyi bwe nnyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gwenze wakola ekintu akaseko ku matama kalaga love is true. Eddoboozi ly'onkuwulira mbeera nkufiiringa. When I told you that me love you baby that was true. Tubeere nga babiri baby me and you. Kutwala mu bwakabaka toli muddu eno love kiri mutu kimanyibwa nnyini kyo baby wantegeera. Onumya n'omutima wotobeera ndi muntu wa ntondo n'obujja gusaba togezanga nojjawa njagala nga wendi. Nsonga za mutima simanyi bwe nnyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gwenze wakola ekintu akaseko ku matama kalaga love is true. Ddoboozi lyo ndiwulira mbeera nkufiiringa. Nsonga za mutima simanyi bwe nnyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gwenze wakola ekintu akaseko ku matama kalaga love is true. Eddoboozi ly'onkuwulira mbeera nkufiiringa.
It's better than a 6-star, 5-star hotel.
Oh wow. Auntie Magenza straight here.
Fancy a surprise. Hotel class. And Raquel, there's your surprise. Your 5-star surprise.
Nice.
He also
I
said
love
he's
it.
gonna surprise you. He's gonna put on your YouTube channel.
Oh wow. Oh, that's nice.
Worship and praise and worship on the YouTube channel.
Oh, you guys, you really love us. Huh? Oh, thank you. We can see ourselves there. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love the mood. Already Raquel alimu kwegabula.
Yeah, flatter. Na. When I told you that me love you, baby, that was true. Tubeere nga babiri baby me and you. Kutwala mu bwakabaka toli muddu eno love kiri mutu kimanyibwa nnyini kyo baby wantegeera. Onumya n'omutima wotobeera ndi muntu wa ntondo n'obujja gusaba togezanga nojjawa njagala nga wendi. Nsonga za mutima simanyi bwe nnyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gwenze wakola ekintu akaseko ku matama kalaga love is true. Ddoboozi lyo ndiwulira mbeera nkufiiringa. Nsonga za mutima simanyi bwe nnyinza kwatula kino ekintu mwana gwenze wakola ekintu akaseko ku matama kalaga love is true. Eddoboozi ly'onkuwulira mbeera nkufiiringa.